Okay, this is my starter. I fed it today, and look, it's doubled and more than doubled. I'm gonna feed it again, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge and make it tomorrow. Look at it. So I'm gonna do 50 water, 50 flour, and 50 starter. Okay, I have 50 starter, 50 water, and 50 flour for each one. And usual I feed it in the morning, and then by noon I start making the bread. But this time I'm gonna do it different. So I fed it earlier, and I discard some, and I'm feeding it again. But this time I want to put it in the fridge so it kind of slowly rises. So in the mornings I can start making the bread. Okay, I took it out of the fridge this morning. Look, it was right here, and now it's right there, and it's peaking, so it hasn't been going down yet. And then it was right here. So when I took it out this morning, like about 3 hours ago, it wasn't that high. It was like really this far. So now it's still continuing, which is good. So now I'm gonna bake with it really normal 100 gram of starter, 325 water, and 500 gram of flour, and 10 gram salt. And start. Jalapeno cheddar, and rosemary. Now let's see. And this one. So here I'm going to shape it. Just go around. I'm just shaping it. So I'm gonna put it in the basket, put some flour on top, put it in the basket, and cover it, put it in the fridge, so tomorrow I can bake it. Okay, I put those two in the basket and put the cover on it. And look at, this is the last one. It's supposed to be like this, and look. So now I'm gonna put this in the basket as well. I did it like a few hours ago. This one is kind of warm. So the way I cut this one like this, and this one I cut it this way, but didn't puff too much. But